In WhatsApp, if you want to send your current location to others, you can do that. In this video, we'll be telling about how to send your current location to others through WhatsApp. For this, open WhatsApp application. After opening WhatsApp application, select the contact to which you want to send your current location. For example, I'm selecting this contact. After selecting that contact, down here you can see a pin like button. Just click on this pin like button. When you are clicking on that, you can see location option. Click on location. When you are clicking on that, you will reach a page like this. Here you can see send your current location option. And one important thing you should notice that your GPS should be turned on. If your GPS is not turned on, go to notification panel and here you can see location option. Just turn on this. And another thing is that if it is not turned on, in WhatsApp only, if you are clicking on that location option, you can see GPS is disabled. Just click OK, and when you are clicking on that, you will reach location page. There you can turn on this location, and like that also you can turn on location. Anyways, after that, to send your current location, just click on send your current location. When you are clicking on that, your current location will be sent. So this way you can easily share your current location with others through WhatsApp. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.